Look up at the night sky with me. Billions of stars, galaxies light years away, planets, entire solar systems moving in a precise rhythm that hasn't stopped for thousands of years. A simple question: who designed all of this? Today we're taking a journey, rational and scientific, to see how thinking about the origin of the universe leads us, not just through faith, but through reason itself, to one logical conclusion. There is a great creator behind this universe. The Big Bang and the moment of beginning. Modern science itself confirms that the universe had a beginning. The Big Bang theory states that the entire universe, space, time, and matter, started from a single point about 13.8 billion years ago. And here's the core question that empirical science alone can't answer. What existed before that point? What caused the explosion in the first place? How did something come from absolute nothing? A basic rational principle states, everything that begins to exist must have a cause. The universe scientifically has a beginning, therefore, it must have a cause. A cause outside of time, space, and matter itself, since that cause is what brought them into existence. This is essentially what's known philosophically as the cosmological argument, the extraordinary fine-tuning of the universe's constants. Looking at the universe from another angle, we notice something remarkable. The universe is fine-tuned with staggering precision that allows life to exist. Take these examples. If gravity were weaker or stronger by even a tiny fraction, stars would never have formed. The rate of the universe's expansion after the Big Bang had to be calibrated with almost unimaginable precision. Slightly faster, and matter never would have clumped into galaxies, stars, and planets. Slightly slower, and the universe would have collapsed back in on itself. The distance between Earth and the Sun, the tilt of Earth's axis, the density of the atmosphere, all balanced in a way that specifically allows for life. Many scientists, including non-believers, have described this balance as fine-tuning and consider it one of the biggest puzzles facing a purely materialistic view of the universe. The logical question is this precise calibration random chance, or the result of intentional design by a wise designer? Order and consistent laws? The universe doesn't move randomly or chaotically. It's governed by fixed, precise laws. Gravity, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, laws that apply in every corner of the universe with the same precision since the beginning of creation. This tightly ordered system raises an obvious question. Who set these laws? And why does the universe follow a rational, comprehensible order at all instead of being pure chaos? Many great scientists throughout history, from Newton to Einstein, stood in awe before this harmony, seeing in it a sign of a governing mind behind the universe. Addressing a common objection. Some people ask, well, who created God? This question actually confuses two fundamentally different kinds of existence: the universe and all created things. These are contingent beings, things that could exist or not exist, and that had a beginning. God is the necessary being, whose existence is inherently necessary, eternal, without beginning or end, existing outside the very laws of time and space that He brought into being. So asking who created God assumes God is a limited, created being like the universe. And that assumption is flawed from the start. From the sudden beginning of the universe, to its extraordinary precision, to its consistent order. All these point us toward the same rational conclusion. Behind this magnificent universe stands a great, wise, all-powerful creator. As it said in the Quran, Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for those of understanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you catch every new video. Share your thoughts in the comments below.